Hi Professor, my name is Joab. My student ID is 3011554041 and I'm cursing in programming 3 with you. And today I want to present you the assignment 1. So let's go quickly to the code. As you asked us, I'm implementing the search method to pass an array and a key value to find between this array. So let me just run this code so I can explain you better. So how it works is first of all, the program gives the opportunity to the user to choose between working with either integers or student names. So let's first work with integers. Now, the program asks us to populate this array of integers, and specifically, as it was stated in the assignment, we are gonna insert 5 integers to this array. So let's do it. It's kind of simple. And finally, once we have done it, the program asks the user to input the integer the user wants to find among this array that we just populated. This time, let's say something like 2. And the result that we expect is that this number is going to be in position 2. And as you can see, your number was found at position 2. It's actually into the index in the array. It's at position 1 since it started with 0. But as you can see here, I am adding a 1 so it's more readable to the user. And that's about it. I can explain you. First, we console write the first sentence to ask the user to input a choice and work with either integer or student names. If the user input inputs 1, then we are gonna go with integers. And what it does is it first initializes an array of integers, with 5 integers in this case, as you asked for. And then with a for loop, we're gonna ask the user to enter 5 integers, and we're gonna read the line in the console and keep populating the integer according to the for loop and with different iterations. After this, we're gonna ask the user to enter the integer to find, and that's pretty it. We're gonna read a line from the console to read the key the user wants to find among this array. And finally, we're gonna implement the search method that you asked us to do, and we're implementing it. And we're between this array that we just created, we're gonna find the key that we got from the user. And if the result is -1, that if this method throws -1 as result, it means that the number we selected is not in the array. But if this method throws another integer to the result, this is the actual place where the key number is into the array. I hope you can understand me. It's kind of hard to explain. And we're just gonna write your number was found at exactly that position. And this is the one I explained you why I added, so it's more user friendly. And finally, with this, we're doing pretty much the same. We're about the student names. I'm sorry. We are doing pretty much the same as integers, since we use a generic method. So here we are creating an array of students. We are saying that this array has capacity of 5 students. In the for loop, the only difference is that we are first creating a new student in each iteration, and after that we are populating the name of the students with the console, with what the user inputs in the console. So just let me show you. This time we're gonna make this kind of slightly different. We're gonna choose 2 to work with the student's name, and we're gonna put names. For example, we can say Joab, my name, Bob, Tim, Ilya, or Emerson, let's say. But this time we're gonna input another name that is not here, so I can show you the other functionality of this linear search algorithm, and we're gonna say Fred, and the program is gonna throw the name you selected is not in the array. And that would be it about the functionality of of the exercise 1. Now let me go quickly to exercise 2. Here, as you requested, we implemented a static class string builder, and into this class we created the method num of words. Here we're gonna input an and string, and the program is gonna say how many words there are in that string. So in this extension method, actually, we are taking an value string that we're gonna take from the user, and we are uh, returning another string. So we take the value from the user and we split this string by a space. These words that we split it of the string, we're gonna populate them into an array of words. And after this, we're gonna return the string number of words into the sentence, the array of words dot length. So it's pretty much it. After this, we're just gonna run it in the main method, and we're gonna ask here the user to input the sentence or string. We're gonna read from the user the sentence, and we're gonna pass it to the string variable. After this, we're gonna implement this extension method, and we're gonna say the string dot number of words, and we're gonna pass it into the variable result. After that, we just only write the result, and that's it. Let me show you how it works quickly here. And please insert your sentence. Programming 3 is fun. What we are expecting from this is the console throwing that there are 4 words in this sentence. And yes, as we expected, number of words into the sentence is 4. So well, we can do that as many times as we want. Hello world, and number of words in the sentence is 2, and that's it. Thanks for watching, Professor.